Hey, everyone! Today, I'm making coffee jelly. Since it is not interesting to just show you how to make it, in this video I would like to compare the results of using gelatin and using agar. Soak the gelatin in water before using it. This helps prevent clumping. It's best to use dark roast coffee. Heat the coffee until it's just about to boil, then turn off the heat. Boiling coffee will make it lose its aroma, so avoid boiling it. Add sugar to taste. The reason I decided to make a video on coffee jelly is because after watching Saiki K's videos for the first time in a while, I got a craving for coffee jelly. Do you have a favorite Japanese anime? If you have any recommendations, please share them in the comments. Remove the air bubbles. You can use a blowtorch like mine, or even a lighter. Warming the mold with hot water makes it easy to remove the contents. Using gelatin results in a very soft and jiggly texture. Finish by decorating with whipped cream and mint. It was very soft, and the taste and aroma of coffee filled my mouth. Next, I'll make it using agar. In Japan, agar is referred to as kanten. Agar in Japan is a gelling agent made from extracts of seaweed and beans, and it has properties that are somewhere between gelatin and kanten. In other words, in Japanese, kanten and agar are different. In this video, kanten will be referred to as agar. This time, I'm using 4 grams of agar, but if you prefer a softer texture, use 2 grams instead. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low. Agar is difficult to dissolve, so let it boil for about 2 minutes while stirring. Boiling will cause the coffee to lose its aroma. However, adding a teaspoon of instant coffee at the end can restore the lost aroma. Pour it into a mold and remove any bubbles. You'll notice a significant difference in firmness compared to the jelly made with gelatin. The great thing about agar is that it's lower in calories compared to gelatin, and it's also suitable for vegans. It has a firm and chewy texture. Coffee jelly made with agar retains its shape well, so cutting and plating it is also recommended. Since it holds its shape well, it can also be added to cold drinks. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.